Ones for our 2016 Winner's Choice. One of these pretty sextons over here. 844. 844. We have 20 spots for this one. Here's all 20. Everybody on screen is paid. So that's everybody. There we go. We're nice and green and secure. Show that it's valid. One, two, three. We got 20 spots. Good luck, everyone. Lucky number 12. Mr. Luke Robinson. Nice win, sir. I have a 2015 Winner's Choice Sextons up if you guys are interested. Go take a look. Thanks for playing.